Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into comic using Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the top, you're gonna find options like edit photo, generate AI tools, avatars, etc. Select AI tools. Now under AI tools, you're gonna have to scroll down and look for AI comics option. Once you find that, tap on it, then select start. Now select the photo that you want to turn into comic. Well, you should know that you're gonna have to upgrade to Pro version of Photoleap to use the features to turn your photo into comic. You can see there are a lot of options like detective, western, student, soldier, etc. If you scroll down further, you're gonna see more options there. Select one of those and tap on save from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn your photo into comic using Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.